That's 14-year-old me kayaking my first season. I'm interrupting this intro to save time. I'm headed on a last-minute rally to the Kootenays in BC, joining Tyler and running some local classics before his road trip departs into Washington. In this episode, we get on the lower Kuskanax, which has had so much whitewater, I literally couldn't make this episode any shorter without sacrificing too much. I hope you enjoyed this adventure I found myself on and are okay with a longer episode. I will now return you to the rest of the intro. Enjoy! My memories, and these are my kayak adventures. So I've just been notified that unfortunately they're going to be doing avalanche clearing on Highway 1 between Golden and Revelstoke between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. So I may as well be on the water for that time. So I'm actually going to go hit the Kuskanax, another last minute decision. And by the time I'm off and get in through Golden, they should be done and I'll be good to go. I love the randomness of a day. I'm here at the Can and I'm here with good friends Justin, Travis, Kelsey, John, and I haven't seen them in a long time and I'm super stoked. Woo! That was awesome. This is a great way to start this mini adventure. Justin finally paddled his ripper too large. I never thought that day would come, but here we are. So miracles can happen. There's a mandatory inspection ahead for all watercraft, so I get to go do that. I don't see anybody here. Okay, there's no inspection. I did my due diligence though. I definitely pulled over and I was actually looking forward to talking to Fish and Game. It's a damn shame, really. Oh, holy moly! Bye, land. Hope you're going to do. This is really cool. It's living up to my expectations. And a sunset. I'm on some random back road. I am meeting Tyler and company here, and then we're going to a hot spring. Are you gonna unpackage your paddle? Yip yak! Thanks, Alan. Oh, yeah. Thanks for saving me. Lucky enough to time that, like when I took a video of it, it just came down. It'll be epic. Tyler, is it called the Kuskanax or the Kuskanax? Kuskanax.
Kuskanax. I don't know.
It's the low. We're doing the lower Kuskanax. 38 CMS. The water's on its way up. We were gonna do the upper Kuskanax, but the levels came up overnight. And as the day goes on, there's more melt. The river's gonna come up higher. So we decided to not run the upper just because the holes become more retentive. So here we go. Come over here.
Right there. You have to kind of peek around the turn. Okay, so we're gonna try to bury this eddy.
Yeah.
Right? But if you don't get there or whatever, you can come down here.
Yeah.
The next eddy is that one, right?
Okay, yeah.
And then if you look through this gap, you can see where the porals.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And you want to be on the right side of the river over there with the roof.
Okay.
If for some reason you didn't make it, like it's way easier to get right if you catch that eddy.
With the water levels on the rise, a drop into boily, surgy water, knowing there was a pour over around the corner that I had to absolutely hit on the far right side, I would have to say I was intimidated. This run does not let up until the very end. From here to the last kilometer, it is continuous class 4. As always, don't let the GoPro fool you. The run is steep, pushy, and the features are bigger than they appear. You could do more good for me down there.
Okay.
I'm not used to this boat.
Yeah. And it's so pushy that, like, even me,
Yeah.
I went over further to the right.
I did too. I thought I was plenty over.
Yeah, you need to be even more over.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I ended up taking a right stroke.
I did too.
Driving to the right.
I drove a right, took a right
I
stroke.
still wasn't even far enough right.
Man, that rock stopped me and I went into the hole. I took a lot of that to the face. Yeah.
Just don't go right here.
Yeah. This is called Cherry Lane. It's a pretty busy rapid, but it has a pretty good line. sorry. Watch your boat. Take out on this island to avoid a river-wide log, which only yesterday was above the surface, making it possible to duck under. Today, it is submerged, making it even more dangerous. That was great. Good run. No carnage. That's always a good bonus. I don't like carnage, especially on that run. That run, it would be really bad. I really appreciate paddling with Tyler and other people who push me, push what I think I can do, and make me feel safe while doing it. So I really appreciate you, Tyler, for everything you did today. That was a really good run.